Some customer contracts have clauses in them that commit a customer to giving you the right to use their logo or their name, or maybe they'll give you a quotation. And you probably fought long and hard to get these out of your customers. You maybe even gave them discounts to give you these publicity rights. And they can be really helpful when marketing your products. What a publicity clause is it's the part of the contract that says where these rights exist. And frequently it comes up when you're preparing a new website or some kind of publication materials that you need to know exactly what that clause says. Because maybe it says you can use their logo on their website. Maybe it says you can use it in presentations, but not on their website. Maybe it says you can say it in an oral presentation, but you can't put it on the website. And there can be all sorts of different variations in the rights that are kind of pledged. And so what the publicity clause is, it's the spot in the contract where it lays those out. Not infrequently, the marketing team or sales team has to go through contracts and find those publicity clauses so that they can know exactly what they are enabled to say about their customers. And it's really important that you actually do this work, because on the one hand, like if you don't do it and you just put all your customers up, like it's not infrequent that there are restrictions on using a customer's name or logo. And especially with big companies, tend to be like quite prickly about those things. And if you use their name or logo without their permission, you can get in huge trouble. It can really damage your customer relationship and could even get you like your contract terminated or get you sued. On the other hand, there may be customers where you're not using their logo, and if you knew that you were allowed to, it could be helpful for you. It could help you sell customers who are just like them. And so knowing what the publicity clause in a contract says, because they're not all the same, there will be different rights granted under different publicity clauses pretty frequently. Knowing what those exact publicity clauses are is a really important bit of a sales or marketing team being able to properly promote a company's customer base. So you have to read through your contracts and find them. Problem is that's like pretty time-consuming work. The good news is that Contracts AI can find publicity clauses. So you can upload a contract to, or all your contracts to a Contracts AI, and it can automatically pull out the publicity clause, which can enable someone on the marketing team or sales ops team to just really quickly read through those publicity clauses and add all that information to a spreadsheet saying what you're allowed to show and what you're not allowed to show, and put the right logos up. If you click on this link right here, it'll take you to a spot where you can automatically upload your contracts and pull out publicity clauses for them. Good luck on the review. It is actually worth it to get the publicity clauses out, because logos from your current customers can help you sell.